Hi, this is JP down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful certified pre-owned 2016 Volkswagen Touareg Luxe Edition. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 3.0-liter V6 TDI diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver-selectable modes. You get 21 miles per gallon in the city, 28 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear anti-roll bars with a Class 3 towing hitch and gas pressurized shock absorbers, ABS and driveline traction control with front and rear parking sensors and backup camera, radio with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, and media device interface, power rear liftgate, heated leathered seats, rain sensing wipers, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.